the street of the bridge in the vegetable garden. I think that's what that means. So we're up here kind of near this I'll just get around the car a little bit. This one goes down to this is Alfandega. It's kind of recognized because there's a lot of Filipino restaurants, including this one. That's Anak. I think that one is food, and there's also another one called Anak Pandesal, which I would love to go get. I might have to get that. But our focus street is going to be Horta y Costa, which is going to be this cool looking one right here. And so I guess it goes down, well, we'll definitely see it in a minute. I'm going to come and film it. So I'm going to get some Pandesal bread first, and then we're going to do this particular one. Stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so that's the corner of our street, so we're going to be walking down that one. There's a beautiful sign right there, and it's for the I think this used to be like a journalist house. Used to be a printing press. And Macau used to have a lot of printing presses, I heard, historically. It was quite well known for that. So we're going to head down this one, which is Rua de Ponte y Horta, the street of the bridge and the vegetable garden. I think that's the translation of that. Giorno Vacchio. So that would have been where the press. That's kind of a cool looking building right there. Actually, if you see at the top, there's like a rooftop that looks pretty interesting. So we're going to be walking down this street. Some pretty interesting things around here. Like this is, I was just looking at this other, that looks like Baroque architecture, which is kind of interesting because I was just reading about down here, this seminary church. This is actually a seminarial street. And then down there is St. Joseph's Seminary. So I was just filming that recently. You might have seen that video already. And that has like a lot of Baroque in Macau, and then that has like kind of a Baroque style as well. My understanding is that that is, but I don't know a lot about architecture, so I'm still learning. But that's what I gathered, was that that's... So here's our street. We're gonna walk down. We got some pretty steep steps right here. We got some amazing balconies too. Hey, check out those balconies. Amazing. I really love Macau's balconies. Like, it's not really well known for that, but I think they're so beautiful, and they should be recognized for those things. Like, look at that balcony right there that has like those giant corners right there. And it goes all the way up, right? So like every single building, every single room right there has this beautiful balcony. And not only this one, but also this one too. So both sides have these beautiful balconies. I'll see if I can get another angle of that. And just kind of go up a little bit. I think some of the other ones have it too. I can see them up there as well. So that's where we started out, was right here. And now we're kind of coming a little bit too low to capture them adequately. So let's keep on going down. So, okay. Our target street is down that way, but I just kind of getting a little bit sidetracked because I see this beautiful sign that says highway right here. I gotta see what that says, what that is. Sorry for this little distraction, but that sign is it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. That is so cool. If I had somebody walking by here, that's let me just see. It says we are open. You can sit right out here too. So you can actually sit. Huh. And it looks like it's I don't know if it's still open or not. Ah, looks like something from another era. Even the chairs in there. Wow. I've never seen that before. So they got coffee. It looks like it might be open sometimes. Wow. That is just super cool. Okay, so I just never saw that before. You know, you'd think I'd seen everything here and I haven't. Like I think I have too, and then I realized that I haven't. Saw something like that. It's like, it's amazing. Okay. So this is our Target Street, so we're back on our Target Street again. We're gonna be down near Sunset Park in a moment. I just love these balconies. That's called Travessa de Gamboa, so I'm gonna have to do the Travessa. I think I haven't done that before. There's also a lot of Gamboas around. There's a Hua and that was a Travessa, and there's also a Calçada Gamboa. Wow, I just love these balconies. Huh. These balconies are just, I don't know, when they made this stuff right here, it's kind of on a hill a little bit. And right here is the London Hotel. And our street's gonna go down, and there's a lot of artwork in this area. And some pretty cool shops like this Blossom Cafe. So now we're at the plaza of the bridge and the vegetable garden. And you can see all the black and white tiles. You can see you got the pork chop on too there. Some good food. And then you go down here and you got some artwork. So I'm just gonna walk down briefly and then we're gonna come back to our street. But I mean, you keep getting sidetracked, but I'd love to go down this one as well. And then this one, the cheese spot. Macau's first pop-up art installation. Okay. There's a lot of stuff on this plaza. Portuguese they call it a praça. And but for me, I'd be more familiar with Spanish originally, so I would call it a plaza. Okay, we're coming back to our Target Street up here. I kind of want to come back down this way if I can. There we go. So now we're going to head back to our street, our Target Street. And we got all this artwork as well. And I'm just going to focus on that artwork in a moment here. We got that artwork there, but then we got this one right here. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down, and this is all part of our Target Street. And then this yellow building right here is the opium. Used to be an opium house. Now it's health facilities. So we're gonna walk over there as well in a moment. And a lot of people are, oh, they're capturing the artwork, I think. So the end of the street's going to be down that way. Let me just try to capture. So, okay. So actually, it's a pretty cool space right there. Then you also got some Christmas stuff in the Sunset Park. And then that's like a entryway into the ocean. Private property. So you can't actually go in there, but I did film there twice. Okay. Pretty cool street though. And then we're going to walk down this way real quick. And I'm gonna walk that way. When somebody was walking by, you can see the dimension of how tall that is. It's about, I guess it's 2 stories high. A little over 2 stories high. And then this is, they refer to it where the opium house used to be. I don't know exactly what that means. Or there used to be the opium museum, I think. This yellow building that we're in right now. And now we're kind of at the main road right here. So anyways, so pretty cool little space. So we're gonna go across real quick. There's an opium museum right there. It goes all the way down like that. Okay, so I hope you like that one. That was Rua de Street of the Bridge and the Vegetable Garden. Rua de Ponte y... Alright. I came back at nighttime just to catch it and see what it's like. So it actually is open, and then you can see a bunch of people up in the window. So so it looks like they're on their computers and their phones, and it looks like that's like a hamburger thing up there, and you can see that there's stairs that go up there as well. So it's kind of a nice little setup. So I thought I'd give that conclusion. It looks like they have maybe hot dogs, hamburgers, colas, coffee, and then yeah, at nighttime looks like you can. So you got cigarettes there, even though it says no smoking, and then it says turn down the volume. So looks like it's active at nighttime. Very cool little space. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.